Yo, 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 what is up, Paradise Crew? And if you are joining us for the very first time, we are Griff and Alyssa, and we've been renovating our new RV, Clover, for about 4 weeks now. And even though a lot of things have gone right, a lot of things are starting to go wrong, putting us way behind schedule.
Didn't get any, so I'm using the ones that we have. Is there an orange one over there? That looks a little milky.
Well, I filled it to the water line. It says fill to water line. That. I just don't know if I want to do this and mess it up royally, like I did that.
I would say start from the bottom, work your way up. Are you defeated?
I don't want to talk about it. You can turn the camera off.
Needless to say, we're feeling a bit discouraged, but we're calling in the big guns to help us get back on track with our renovation.
Oh, ha, ha, ha!
Because it's now 42 degrees in Pennsylvania, and trust me, my body isn't made for this. So please consider subscribing if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy the show.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, it's been a while.
It has been a while.
What's new?
Well, not a lot in here. Mainly because my mouth blew up this week. My wisdom tooth started to come in, and my face is still a little swollen.
I can see it a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. It was really swollen. I had to go to the dentist, and I have to get my wisdom teeth out. So I'm on a lot of pain medicine right now. But we're back here. It's Saturday, and we have a lot of work to do.
A lot of work to do, so we're gonna get right to it. Let's jump right in.
Nice.
What are you doing?
It's so cold in here. The fireplace is on. I actually kind of dig. It looks like there's brick in here. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. And it feels great.
Thanks.
Because it's cold. So cold. Super cold.
So you're wondering if you should accent this wall with a Sharpie. Boop. You got the lights.
Yes. So the dilemma, I figured I didn't want this area to be too plain, but I also don't want it to be too busy. So we're having this giant mirror up here, which I guess takes up most of this wall. So it probably doesn't matter, but I thought it would be fun to do a little Sharpie accent because I've seen it done in other RVs. Just like a little chevron design or something similar, a herringbone, if you will, on these two walls. And maybe these two walls too, like the whole bathroom.
You're gonna use a Sharpie? Really? I've
Yes.
never seen that done before.
Yeah, well, it has been done before. Actually, people do Sharpie shiplap. So instead of putting up real shiplap, they use a Sharpie and they draw straight lines, and it looks like it's real wood, and it's really just a Sharpie.
Wow.
It's genius, and it saves you on weight. So I don't know if I want to do that. I put up the shower curtain. Well, not put it up, but I like brought it in here to see what it would look like. I don't think it'll be too busy, but what do you think?
I have no idea. This is a new concept to me.
Let me show him some examples, and then we'll go from there, because he doesn't necessarily
I don't see it at all.
see it.
I just see you writing on the wall with a Sharpie that you spent so much time painting.
Okay. All right. I'll show you some pictures.
Okay.
Okay. So it would essentially be something like. Oh, I thought I saved it on here, but I didn't. But you see this?
Okay.
Like those are little tree-esque. That's kind of cool. The problem is I have 2 Instagram accounts and a Pinterest that I save things to, and I can't ever remember where I saved them to.
Girl, me and you both. All right.
So like that.
So I remember seeing this. I didn't realize that was all done by hand with a Sharpie. So do you use a stencil or anything? Or?
Well, yeah, you can. Or you could freehand it, and it essentially is imperfect, which everything in here is.
So
it wouldn't be all perfect. But actually, you can tell that this isn't perfect either. Like,
yeah.
Every line is kind of different.
Oh, cool. So you're going to go for it.
I'm asking you if that's what you think.
I think that'll look good. I just imagining hearing you shoot and a few.
He knows me so well.
Yeah.
I will do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, this is coming together.
That looks nice.
That looks good. Check that out, guys. So this is our new little frame here for the slide. I'll give you a wider look at that, but we'll varnish it and it's gonna look good. Alyssa's still graffitiing up our new walls.
Yeah, they're definitely not perfect.
A little rebel, but that looks good. All right, so let's judge this. So let's just. So Alyssa. I like this. Looks very good. Mistake! No, it looks really good.
You try getting behind the toilet.
Guys, I really like the way this looks. Hand drawn. So right now I have a white lens, so it makes it look warped. So if I back up to straighten it out a little bit for you guys, there we go. Looks good. So I dig it. What do you think?
I don't like it.
Why don't you like it?
Because it doesn't look the way I wanted it to look.
Guys, tell her it looks good.
There's just some things down here because the toilet was challenging.
I get that. But you know, some little bit of paint stroke will straighten it out. So, but yeah.
I just don't know if I want to do this and mess it up royally.
All right, so you are moving on towards the door here.
Well, only because I wanted to cut some more of these so then I can finish in here. But my original plan was to do half of this. So it would be a little bit thicker than these. Just a little bit. And then make a design on the door like so.
Cool.
So essentially we would cut this board in half, and then this one would be for the other side.
All right. So Alyssa's gonna cut something with this saw. The number one rule for sawing things is don't saw off your finger. So this wood chip just flew right by my face, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Pretty neat, right guys? I think it was pretty cool. Which hand? Oh, this one? Which this one, guys? Guys, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Let's go see what I'm hearing. Oh, what's up, girl? What's up? Did you wanna say something to the vlog? You were crying earlier. What's up? What's going on? Did you need to tell the Paradise crew something and everyone that's... Did you have something to say? No? Alright, well, I'm gonna go back over here. Alright. That was weird. I could have sworn she said something. I could have sworn she said something. You guys, I just left. Now you have something to say. Now, okay. All right, guys. She did bark. What do you need?
She'd be trying to. I wanted to show her or see which one she's going to do so you can get started on that. But wait till she comes over to.
We'll see. Do you just want to be the star of this vlog? Should we make t-shirts with your face on it? Alright, taking off again. Alright. I promise, guys, we're not starving. What are you up to?
I'm cleaning Alyssa's mess up.
You said you wanted to be in the vlog. You can't come in
I did.
all attacked.
I'm usually at
Mode.
work when they're doing this, but Alyssa sat on paint that one day, and then she sat in a chair and didn't realize it. And so I'm just trying to get that off. I love her so much.
What's wrong now?
Nothing.
I put her in a vlog, and the first thing she did was attack you.
No, I love her.
About the paint.
You want to know what I was doing?
So yes, everybody, Alyssa sat in paint, and then she sat in the chair,
And it's not her chair.
and then Mama Donna cleaned it up. But
I actually did some painting before, but the media wasn't.
say something nice.
This is going to be nice. I was here before, but the media wasn't here. But I did help paint.
Media.
The media.
Say something nice.
Say she loves her mama.
A girl of few words, I see.
Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? Does it your mother says don't chew it and you swallow it in spite? You catch it on your tonsils and you're heaving left and right. Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? It looks better than it was. You did not videotape me singing, I hope not.
What was that song?
You never heard of that?
Sing it again?
Does your no, because you're on live. You're on TV. Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight?
How's it go?
Well, I'll probably mess up the words now because I'm on video. Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? Does it your mother says don't chew it and you swallow it in spite? Do you catch it on your tonsils and you're heaving left and right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? That was a song from the 60s, I believe.
Beautiful.
I always liked that song.
Trending.
It was a cute song.
Can I find it on Apple Music?
Huh?
Spotify?
But you probably could. I don't know. I don't know who sung it. I am that young. I don't know who sung it. But
Probably Kesha. Maybe Halsey. 50 Cent. Alright, so looks like we've added the trim, the arrows on these doors, and you also finished your project on the inside, and I think it looks amazing, but why don't you walk us through it?
Well, I gotta go the other way because
Come on, let's go.
Mommy's painting in here.
Let's go. Welcome to my crib.
So that's all done now.
Thank you.
Oh, Mama Donna's in here. Hey!
hey,
So, I made a few touch-ups, but I think overall it looks pretty nice.
We think it looks great.
So once the mirror goes up, it'll hide some imperfections over here. But I think it kind of gives a nice little accent to the bathroom. What do you think?
I like it. So I already got B-roll of this, but in case I didn't, guys, you can see it right here. And we did some touch-ups on it, so let's already touched on that. But
Well, I missed a couple spots, but
it's all good. But you were not a happy camper.
Happy camper.
Happy camper.
I wasn't a happy camper.
She was
No, I didn't like it originally because
nothing's perfect.
well, I know, and I knew it wasn't going to be perfect, but it was like super imperfect that it looked like we gave Magdalene the thing and she did it herself.
She's gonna watch this later on in life and be like, dang,
well, she's 2.
She's very talented
So
for a 2-year-old.
So anyhow, that was my point. It looked like a 2-year-old did it. However, I touched it up a little bit and it looks a little bit better. So I'm happy with it. But
what's Mama Donna up to?
She's
I'm
painting.
painting these green things, which is nice because you're not making a mess, but this will all dry the same color.
Yes, I'll be
Since
nice.
it's freshly painted. You don't want to do this like if you had an old paint door, because then you'd have to paint the whole door again. But this is freshly painted, so it will all blend in.
Love that. And then we're gonna varnish this up here. So I'll probably take these clothes out just so I don't get to varnish on the clothes. And we're going to varnish the countertop over there.
So check it out, guys. Another little faux butcher block situation going on over here. Check that bad boy out. So looks pretty good. And guess what, guys? We kept my cruise shirt so you can see all my tacky glory for season 4 Griff and Alyssa on the seas.
Hopefully.
See you there. Yeah, right. Hopefully.
Okay,
There we go.
another countertop.
How heavy do you think that is? Guesstimating.
I don't know. I'm horrible at guessing that. You'd probably be better because you lift weights.
Oh, guys, that's a good 45 pounds.
It's a solid surface. I wonder if it says on there. Keystone RV. Nah, doesn't say.
Yeah, it's getting chilly. So the captain here has flattened all the staples and he is working on getting the new countertops in here, and it's gonna look good. And it's I'll say a giant leap forward, because then he gets to move to the island, and once he knocks that out, it's gonna be, are you cold?
I'm freezing.
Oh, I'm sweating like a pig. It's hot in here.
It's hot in here.
Oh.
Are we in the same place?
Let's see if we can get there where Alyssa is a little quicker. Hey.
Hi. So I had to cut these 2 pieces a little shorter for
Okay.
the other doors, because it doesn't matter if the one side sticks up a little bit because there's a gap, but the other side, it does matter. So I cut these, and then now I'm going to measure this one so I know how big these have to be.
Sweet.
Great.
All right, just like that, that is the end of today. Any parting words for the fellow Paradise crew and new people watching?
I hope you liked today's episode. We got a lot of great updates done, and we're really excited. I can almost see the end.
Guys, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell to win cool prizes like cool t-shirts, hats, whenever we have new stuff coming out. But as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Peace.
Bye.